My poem's titled End of the World, and it's supposed to look like a tornado, and because how, when you have catharsis, it's a cleansing, right? So I'm just going through the storm and then finding out what I can do about it at the end. End of a world. In violent rotation, thunder and wind need to split at the other to make way for water chasing a thought in the form of a tornado. Hysterical howls of tolerance unbecoming. In a white center that holds an embrace between two hands who have met. One that imagines and another who feels. But an eye stands in the middle, watching silence as it builds. Horn of the sky, unicorn for magic. To undo the unspoken, or its likened tragic. I snatch it. Can you hear me? Echoes into, can you clear me? Spread across broken footpaths of places visited. Now a road stands reversed to trace the way back home, with scribbles on a notebook leading me in circles in search of the remedy for baseless fears. Something is missing, while I am missing some things. I am back where I began, chasing storms again and again. Between silence and conversations, I smile, ready to counter. Relax, it'll get better. But from a slight warmth on my shoulder comes just the tiny, the world's not over.